Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and my quarterly KND box just arrived. I wasn't even expecting it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what came inside. I never remember to do this part, but the KND box is $64.99 if you're on the quarterly plan. Just to get a single box is $74.99. And I think there might be a way to subscribe for a year, but I'm not 100% sure. The website's not showing it to me. So that's that, the important information. Now let's get cracking on what's inside the box. So this time around, instead of a booklet, we have a card that has a code directing us to the website for product descriptions. Now the big question is, if you've watched any of these videos of mine in the past, will the product descriptions be more accurate online than they were in that booklet? Because some of the descriptions in that booklet made no sense. So we'll find out. The first item I've got on top here is from Aura. This is the Trust Your Gut Pre and Probiotic Pixie Powder in Fruit Punch flavor. I already know Austin's probably going to be very interested in these. He's been kind of wanting to get on a probiotic. So let's read the description. This is a $32.99 value. Get gut happy with Aura Pre and Probiotic Pixies. Brimming with 5 science-backed probiotics and an organic prebiotic, these tasty pixies are your go-to for aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and nourishing upper respiratory health. Fun, flavorful, and chock full of benefits, every pixie sprinkles health into your microbiome. So that's that. Let's take a look at them. Looks like they are just little packets, and you just drop the packet in your mouth. You don't even need to add it to water. So that's interesting. Very interesting. I know these will get used in our house. The next item we have here looks like some sort of patch from Fleur Marché. These are the Energy Please Wellness Patches. 20 milligrams of hemp plus B12. So this is a little energy patch. Now I believe, what was that brand of patches I was using before? I don't even remember what it was. The ones that I tried, there's a YouTube video on this channel somewhere of me testing a collection of patches. And the only one I thought kind of helped was the sleep one, but I also didn't think it was dramatic enough to really make a difference if you genuinely have issues falling asleep. But this should be interesting to try. I always like trying things like this because they're kind of fun. So this is a $5 value. Seize the day with Fleur Marché's Energy Please Wellness Patch, infused with the invigorating power of B12 and the soothing qualities of hemp. This wellness patch delivers a caffeine-free energy boost. Stay pumped, stay focused, and embrace your boost. So 2 for 2 on items I'll definitely be using. The next item we have here is from Tease, and it looks like it is a collab with Kinder, and it is the Glow and Grow Hair and Nail Support Blend. So it's 15 tea bags with ingredients that are supposed to support hair and nails. And yeah, that sounds pretty cool. I will be using tea. You guys know I'm on a tea kick right now anyway, so these will definitely be getting tried out probably tonight. So the tea is a $22 value. The description is: take a soothing, herbal, non-caffeinated tea time with our exclusive Teas X Kinder Beauty Glow and Grow tea in hair and nail support blend. It's not just a drink, it's your beauty boosted, packed with nettle, known for strengthening hair and nail growth. Dive into the flavors of spearmint, floral lavender, and playful hints of lemon and rose while you unplug and unwind. So it's caffeine free, which I was hoping it would be, so it'll be great to have at night. These next 2 products look like they are a duo. From Aloe, the Glow System, we have the Superfruit Moisturizing Body Lotion and the Mega C Body Wash. So both full sizes of those, which is very nice. Let's read the description. The body wash is a $24 value. say hello to radiant skin with the Aloe Glow System Mega C Body Wash, bursting with super berry, amla, and nourishing avocado and marula oils. This body wash is like a revitalizing juice cleanse for your skin, cleansing, rejuvenating, and hydrating all at once. So whether it's your morning wake up call or your post-gym refresh, your skin is all in. So very happy to have a body wash. One less time I'll need to purchase body wash. So very pleased with that. And as for the lotion is a $28 value. The description says hydrate with the Aloe Glow System Superfruit Body Lotion. This not your average lotion combines the antioxidant rich superberry amla and potent arnica to restore skin and de-stress muscles. Enhanced with a powerful trio of argan oil, aloe vera, and coconut oil, this lotion leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and glowing all day long. So are you ready for a hydration transformation? Love that we got to try the kit here. This is fun. I'll definitely be using both of these too. This is a great box so far. So the next item in the box is from KND. This is their satin pillowcase set. So that's pretty cool. I've been looking at satin pillowcases, so this is something I'm really glad to be getting in the box. This is a $49.99 value, so $50 value. I'm willing to bet this is probably the most expensive item in the box, even though there's a few more to go. So the description says, made of soft, silky satin fabric to be kind to your hair and skin, claiming to prevent creases, wrinkles, and fine lines. Yes, please. These pillowcases promise a serene night's sleep. The versatile ivory hue adds a refined tranquility to your space. A restful slumber has never felt so lavish. Sweet dreams, beauties. So, the only thing that's not great about this is that they are standard size, and I have king size pillows. So, might have to put two of them on one pillow just so the whole pillow's covered, which is fine because I only have one that my head is on, but my face is touching if I sleep on my side, so that should be fine. But that's the only issue with this, is that in sending these to you, they are taking an assumption at your pillow size, and I guess most people do have standard size pillows, but I'm still gonna give them a try. Next, and I can already tell this is probably going to be the item in the box I end up not liking, and we'll get to why. This is the Ellis Brooklyn Apres Eau de Parfum, and I already know I don't like this one. I do like Ellis Brooklyn fragrances, but this particular scent I've had a trial size of, and I know it doesn't smell good on me. So unfortunately, this is just going to have to go find a new home. This is a $32 value, which is why it stabs me in the heart that I know I'm not going to use it. And the description says, capture the invigorating essence of the mountains with Ellis Brooklyn's Apres Eau de Parfum Travel Spray in the most gorgeous green glass spritz bottle. This is no ordinary fragrance. It's a bottled tribute to the crisp, sweet, and spicy outdoors. Fresh and transformative notes in the medley of cardamom, violet, and sandalwood, spinning tales of alpine escapades. Okay, this description is fun. Props to whoever wrote this one. Far from just compelling, it's an addictive charm that lingers, leaving a trail of sweet memories. So, because it does describe the bottle, let's go ahead and take a look at that together. Oh yeah, the bottle's gorgeous. Gorgeous dark green bottle, but I know this fragrance doesn't smell good on my body with my body chemistry, so this will have to hit the road. This next item is in bubble wrap, so let's take that out. Let's see. This is the embodiment deck to connect, reflect, explore. So some kind of deck of cards. So this is a $32 value, and the description says, dive into the wisdom your body holds with the embodiment deck. This beautifully crafted deck of 48 cards offers affirmations and journal prompts as tools for mindfulness and deeper presence. Perfect for your daily rituals or spontaneous moments of self-reflection. It's the ultimate companion to tap into your own intuition. Listen up, your body has something to say. So I guess let's let's open it up and take a look at some of these cards. So this just pops right off and the cards are sitting there. Embodiment deck, how to use your deck. There is no one way or a right way to use the deck. Allow your intuition to guide you. It will lead you to what you need in the moment. Perhaps you pull a single card or a card from each of the categories. This is your practice. You are invited to make this completely your own in honoring the simplicity of being present in our body. So there's different categories. There's a reflect, a connect, and an explore. And it looks like, let's see, they've got little illustrations. Actually, it kind of looks like my phone, like just female figures on the back. And then this one's got some affirmations on it. So I might look through these and give them a try for a few days, see if this is something I'd be interested in. It's not something I'd go out of my way to buy myself, but now that it's here, I'll give it a try. So the last item in the box is from Daily Concepts, and this is the Daily Body Towel Wrap. So it looks like it's a towel for out when you get out of the shower, and it's got like a button or something so that it wraps and stays in place, which is really nice. Love that idea. This is a $32 value, fashion and function with the Daily Concepts towel wrap. I don't think we can call this fashion, but let's move on. This adjustable towel fits comfortably with 3 adjustable sizes. Enjoy the convenient and cute comfort plus quick drying absorbent material. P.S. Perfect for post-shower when you're applying your Aloe Superfruit Body Lotion. Love the tie-in, and we'll definitely be using this too. I'm pretty pleased with nearly everything that came in this because I want to try everything with the exception of this because I've already tried this fragrance before and I already know it doesn't work for me. I'm really happy. This might be the best one yet. I think this is the best one we've gotten so far. Everything here is practical and I will use and is interesting, and I'm very happy with it. So very happy with the fall box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I did add all of this up and I think it came to about $258, $259 in value. So what you pay versus what you get, at least what the retail value is, it does work out that you are getting more, so that works out nicely. Yeah, so let me know what you thought of the box down below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye!